For many times I was laughed at and not believed in, but you know what? Nothing external can defeat the internal. The only thing that can take someone down or break you down is internal. Nothing external is strong enough.
All right, so today we're taking a look at Conor McGregor, love him or hate him. He has some lethal kicks. We're gonna jump into a clip of Conor McGregor because I wanna see how he does it, and then we'll come back and we'll take a look and we'll practice it ourselves. The one I really like, because I actually do this a lot when I'm training, is, I guess technically it would be called a double kick. But instead of actually kicking, okay, it's more of a trick. So it's more of a setup. If I'm in here, I'm gonna, see? So I'm gonna drop low with like a jab, and then hit with that one. That's for the knockout. That's the knockout one. It's almost like, I just did a training session with Mickey Ward, professional boxer, and it's kind of like his body shot where he'll fake up here, and then bam, to the body.
I'd be here, tap here, and like over. Or I'd go lefty and I'd tap here. Boom.
Same thing, but it's with the kick. So what he does, he comes in, little trick, just like that. He'll set up, and he's more left. He more hits with his left, it seems like, a lot. You know, you could probably come in with the, you could probably trick too a little bit like this. So he probably can go, which is nice too. So you can do it with the front one, you trick, or you can come in like with the back. It gives you more of a bounce. All right, so if you enjoyed that video, like, subscribe, drop a comment down below. If you want to see me in action, Action Star Training, click right here. If you want to watch another video like this, click right here, subscribe, and if you just want to watch some TV or film, click right here.